So in this part of the video I'm going to show you how to use the printed 3D printed sharpie holder, and it takes your full-size sharpie pens, and my husband's just holding it to demonstrate because I can't hold my phone at the same time. Just pop it in and then screw it up tight, and then we're going to pop it into our machines. And you can see on the back you've got the two ledges there like you do have on your ordinary holders, so you put it in that facing towards the back and then you click it into place like so. So then we're going to say okay, okay, and draw, and then we're going to say okay, okay, and draw. So now if it does that, just do it again when it overrides it and it will work for you. And as you can see now, it enables us to get a thicker line. And when we come to do the font, even though I've got it on fill, I'm going to actually stop it because I'm not going to need to fill it, because it's going to be giving us enough detail just by doing the lines thick, because I've chosen a finish line font so that when it's actually drawn it, you'll see that it's not leaving that big massive gap that you feel like you need to fill in. So we're just seeing the pen in action now. This is just making a greeting for the card that we're going to put together with a waterfall card. Okay, so I'm just going to let that finish. Questions asked about this cutting mat. It's a brother cutting mat, so it's got all the registration marks on. As you can see, it's a scan and cut mat, and all I do is cut down either cricket mats or eclipse mats, and then I can just stop it there because it's just trying to fill, but it's already filled, as you can see. Wishing you an amazing birthday. So it's done that lovely. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to replace that one with the, because I've done a cut line as well, so I'm just going to put my blade back in, hit cut, and it'll cut that out for us as well. So, like as I was saying, so this is just a cricket mat that's been trimmed down to fit on the sticky side of the brother mat, and all I've done is just use red liner tape around the edges, and when I need to I can actually use my spatula, get under here and get it off, so I can clean the mat and re-stick it if I want to. But I find I don't have to do it anywhere near as often with these Cricut ones because they just keep the stick and they're so much better. Alright, so I'll see you in the next part.